love it, and I love the snow. First thing is the mountains. So being in Switzerland, this beautiful place, is amazing. I think the small format has encouraged a lot of speakers who otherwise wouldn't travel to Switzerland to come, and I think that's really the quality of the conference, is the type of people that are giving content to the people buying tickets.
Well, it's a very diverse group, right? Geographically, even the topic, there are regulators and there are investors.
Very curated speakers, also very international speakers, and also enough time that you can connect with them. I actually got to really connect with so many speakers, like after a really long time. So I've really enjoyed myself. Very well done.
Caliber of people. I mean, if you just look at the speakers, for example, it's basically people who are world experts at what they do.
I'm personally very proud that we have quite a few former speakers which are now regular paying guests. I would say the distinction between speaker and participant is not really existing, and I think that gives a special atmosphere.
It's better than gold, So, I think listening to the Winklevosses talk about the theoretical potential of space mining, and someday the discovery of a giant asteroid worth of gold, made of gold, and making it as common as sand. I don't know that I'd go that far, but I think the point that they made, which was Bitcoin is finite and gold is not.
These last 2 days have been tremendously interesting. And I go to a lot of conferences. This one had really good curation of people and amazing discussions with finance and tech people, and also with people from country governments.
It became clear that this is going to stay. It's not a fad. It's not something that will disappear again quickly. So I think it's good. It's very educational to be here. I think there are very good panels, very good discussions.
Expectation, great sunshine, great snow. I did go and ski today, so I have a bit of my goggle tan, which is good. But meeting great people, reconnecting with old friends, and learning a lot from all of the other participants and speakers.
Well, if it's anything like the first few hours, it's going to be fascinating. I'm not going to miss a minute of it. But I've also got my ski gear with me, so I'm looking forward to getting out on the slopes as well.
I'm feeling really relieved now because we had 3 days of an amazing conference, so everyone is happy, and if they are happy, I'm happy.